that intro.
Hello guys, welcome back to 17th part of the Arduino tutorials. Previously, in my 16th part, I have shown how to use the LCD module to print the text, but today I am showing how to use this LCD for projects to print the values that we get from the sensors. For example, I am considering the digital humidity temperature values in this case, but you can use the same for any type of sensors. And if you want to know how to use the DHT sensor, you can also refer to my 15th part. I'll provide both the link in the description box. You can get from there. So here I am not going through the basic code since I have explained before. So this is particularly the function where we get the humidity values, and those values is stored in the variable h, and the temperature values are stored in the variable t. So only we have to concentrate on these variables. First I'll just show you the values how we are getting in the serial monitor. We are printing the humidity values here and also the temperature values here. So first I'll open the serial monitor. These are the humidity values and the temperature values. Okay. Next we'll see how to print the same values in the LCD module. So here we have written all the lines for initializing the LCD. We'll directly start with the actual code. First we have to set the cursor from where we have to print. For that, LCD dot set cursor. In the LCD, the first row will be printing the humidity values, and in the second row will print the temperature values. So I'll first keep the cursor at the starting position. First we'll give some text as humidity as we have seen before. Now to print the text you have to use double quotes inside the parenthesis, but to print the sensor values inside the parenthesis just keep that variable. Here we are getting the humidity values in the variable h, so I'll directly write the h inside the parenthesis without any quotes. That is how we do to print the values. And again in the next line, that means in the next row we'll print the temperature values. For that we'll set the cursor to the second row. All these things I have explained in my previous video. You can refer that video before coming to this. And here also the same thing we are doing. Here the temperature values are stored in the variable t, so I'll directly write the t inside the parenthesis. That's it. And we'll give some delay at the end. Let's save and upload this. Yes guys, it's working. We can able to see both the values in the separate rows. So here I have just shown to print the values. If you want also to print the unit in front of the values, first for the humidity we have to write it in the same line. So after printing this humidity values, just add one more line. And this is also text. I'm giving it as % because it's mentioned in that format. And in the case of temperature also we'll give the unit. I'll give it as C because Celsius is indicated by capital C. Now we'll upload and see. So that's it guys for this video. I hope this video is useful for you, and I'll provide all the links in the description box for the code and the previous tutorials. If you have any doubts, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you for watching this video, guys. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you in the next one.